Hello, I'm Natalia Davies, an industrials analyst at Edison. It's great to have with us again today, Michał Jarczyński, CEO of Arctic Paper. Hello, Michał, welcome back.
Hello, good morning.
So you just released your full year 23 preliminary results. To start off with, could you provide a summary of these results and how you managed to achieve an EBITDA margin of 13%, exceeding the 10% long-term historic average, despite customer destocking and paper and pulp prices reaching cyclical lows?
Indeed, 2023 was quite a challenging period. The year after a boom for the pulp and paper product, we noticed significant drop of the demand. It was minus 25, even minus 35%, depending on the market, depending on the grades. And then our focus was to find an optimal momentum regarding the maximizing capacity utilization and defending the margin, the prices. And I think that we are quite successful. And definitely that EBITDA of over 100 million euro, which is double compared to average for the period 2015-2021, is a great result, and I'm very proud. And also even from the cash flow perspective, from the operating cash flow, we are on the same level like in the previous year. That I'm very convinced that we deliver a good result, and the shareholders should be satisfied about the result. And also based on this result, we also present the proposal regarding the dividend, which is on our dividend dividend policy between 20 to 40%. And for 2023, we would like to propose 27% of the profit as a dividend to the shareholders.
Great, thank you. And just moving on to the paper and pulp market, what changes are you currently seeing in terms of demand and pricing following a year of cyclical weakness?
Beginning of 2024 is quite optimistic. Of course, a lot of question marks in Europe, because Europe is our key market, that only less than 2% are exported outside of Europe. And it seems that from my perspective, I see two big risks. One big risk is regarding the development regarding the wood prices, because if the wood prices in Scandinavia and also in continental Europe, especially also in Germany, will continue in the same direction like it was during the last years, definitely it will be the challenge to maintain the profitability. And the second aspect is regarding the recovery of the European economy, especially regarding the situation of the German economy. Germany is our biggest market, more than 20% of our business, and the problems of the German economy could influence our results. Today, we are trying to maximize our sales to the other market like Scandinavia, Central Europe, UK, and South of Europe. We hope that the situation in Germany will be recovered soon, and we'll be able to rebound regarding the demand for this market.
And on Capex, can you discuss the recent progress being made in diversifying the company into higher margin, renewable energy and packaging markets? What can we expect your Capex program to look like in the next few years?
3 years ago, we already announced our new strategy, so-called 4P, which consists of 4 elements: pulp, paper, packaging, and power. And total Capex to be invested for the next 7 years will be around 1.3 billion zlotys, roughly 300 million euros. And looking for the last year, we already spent close to 50 million euros, mainly for the paper, but also a significant part for energy. This year and the next 2 years, we will focus regarding acquisition of power installation, and also we continue our ongoing project. Today, by mid of this year, we will complete a big solar farm of close to 70 megawatt in Kostrzyn on our Polish site. And we will continue till the mid of next year regarding the big biomass project in Scandinavia, in Sweden. It will be to install the biomass boiler, and as well to put a new business line to our model. It will be the production and the sales of the pellet to the continental Europe, with total amount between 50 to 100,000 tons of pellets per year.
And on the 4P strategy, how has this progressed since it was proposed in 2022? And what are the key initiatives, and when can we expect these to be achieved?
Our aim was to, by 2025, to achieve 20 megawatts of the green energy from our installation. And already we are exceeding this. Means that regarding the project related to energy, I'm quite convinced that we will achieve the targets in coming 4 to 5 years. Regarding the packaging, this first plant located in Poland, it will be molded pulp trays, fully recyclable product, will be dedicated for the German and Austrian market. It will be in operation by the mid of this year. And after this, when we see the market reaction, we are open to discuss about a new project dedicated for West Europe.
And on sustainability, what strategic initiatives is the company undertaking to adapt to sustainability challenges within the paper and pulp industry? How does the company plan to leverage these to drive long-term growth and shareholder value?
We as a pulp and paper business, we are the part of the biobased economy based on the cellulose fiber. Cellulose fiber is the energy of sun transferred by the nature into the natural polymer cellulose, and it could be reused several times. We continue our development towards a sustainable and emission neutral economy. By 2035, we aim to achieve neutral fossil CO2 emission according to Scope 1 and Scope 2. We will do our most to reduce fossil CO2 emission in Scope 3, demanding reduction from our entire value chain. And our aim is to be carbon neutral by 2035. And already we are close to 70% of the green energy in our business. That definitely our aim to produce more energy from the sun, to produce recyclable packaging product based on the fiber, and as well to use the biomass to produce electrical energy in the steam for the mill. It's our next step to achieve these targets.
Great, thank you. And just to conclude, talking about the future direction of the business, how would you like to see the market develop over the remainder of the year to provide you with optimism for the future direction of the company and its strategy?
Even if somebody say that paper is an old-fashioned product, I see that in fact it's a quite stable business, especially regarding the books. Because even despite of e-books, electronics or audiobooks, the demand for printed books is quite stable. In Europe, the demand for high quality book paper is between 100 to 140,000 tons per year. It's very stable for the last 10 years. And it seems that we as a market leader on this segment, we are quite convinced that still the book will be interesting product, and still books will be probably the most popular gift for Christmas and not only for this occasion.
Great, thank you so much for your time.
Thank you very much.